Hey y'all, so I went a little crazy on Temu. Love to see these orange bags coming. So this haul is all about nail stuff, basically. So I got this cuticle cutter thingy. I don't know exactly what it's called. And I got some triple cut nail trimmers. It has the little measuring thing so that when you cut your nails, each one will be the same size. And then I got all of these different styles of press-on nails. All of them are super cute. I cannot wait to use them because it's time to take these off. So I will be using one of these sets here. Super cute. So that is what I got. And then, oh, since I'm Temu hauling, my niece just got a Temu haul, a Temu package in, and she got some eyelashes. They look like pretty good quality lashes. So anyway, if you're not on Temu, you should check it out because they are paying people to share the Temu app. So it would benefit you to head on over to Temu, and you can actually find the link, over there. I don't know where it's gonna show up, but up in there of where to download the Temu app, and we can all make some money. So check it out.